Okay, ladies, I must make a confession. I used to be one of those women who believed that Walmart was for buying things like dog food and toothpaste and not fashion. But boy, have I changed my mind. They are killing it with their designer inspired looks, and I am here for it. So they have so many beautiful spring finds, from skirts to dresses to tops, all the things, lots of them in natural fabrics. I know you girls love that. So I have rounded up some of my absolute favorites to share with you. And if you're new here, my name's Kelly. Thank you for tuning in. I make videos twice a week all about fashion for women over 40, helping them to look and feel their best regardless of size, shape, or budget. And I wanted to thank Walmart for partnering with me on this video, because I think they're the perfect retailer for something like that, because they feature beautiful items, very designer inspired, for all different shapes, great size variety, and at really affordable prices. So let's dive in. And as always, all of the pieces that are shared in this video will be linked down below in the description box, pinned to the first comment. And if you're watching from your TV, that little QR code that shows up, you can use your phone to shop right from your couch. All the items will pop up with links. Okay, there are so many great looks in this video. I wasn't even sure where to begin, but I decided to start with this one. I think it's so fun and so on trend for spring. Starting with this first piece, this little sleeveless button front cardigan. So I love so many things about this. This definitely looks designer inspired with the buttons going down the front. This is a really nice, like, soft fabric. It's actually a polyester viscose blend. It feels really like a soft, comfortable knit. This one comes in black as well. It's right at $22. And I paired it with this beautiful white midi skirt from the brand No Boundaries. This one is so pretty. This has these white tiers on it. It has a little eyelet detail running through it. It is a pull-on stretch waist, super comfortable. It's lined all the way to like the knee area, so you don't see anything underneath. And this definitely looks so similar to one that I have from J. Crew that cost me over $100. This one is under $17, and it comes in black as well. And to add a little fun to this look and make it really on trend, I added this adorable little scarf, which I love these scarves. I found these at Walmart. There's several different color and pattern options, and I think they're just a really fun way to add a little trend to a look. This is under $10, and I love the beautiful blues and yellows and creams. You could tie this like I did as kind of like a belt. You could put it around your neck. You could throw it on with your bag just to add a pop of color, but it is so on trend for spring and such an easy and fun way to add that little something special to your look. So this past weekend, I went to visit my daughter in Orlando, and she was wearing this beautiful lightweight cotton voile top with little eyelet detailing, so pretty and feminine, and I swear it looked almost identical to this one from Scoop, but hers was actually from J. Crew. This is such a great look for less. I love this one. This is in a tank top style. You've got some lace detailing around the neck and around the arms, and a little tie front in the front. This is very loose and flowy and easy to wear, perfect for spring and summer. This is right at $22, and it does come in some other beautiful colors like that gorgeous yellow and a white as well. And I paired that top with this great new find from Walmart. These are a utility short in white, like denim fabric. These come in about 4 different options. They are really great. They have a 3.5 inch inseam. They have that utility style to them with the seaming down the front, the pockets. These have a great fit on them and a cuff at the bottom. Really love these, and they are under $20. I feel like these are going to work with so many outfits for spring and summer. Okay, I am such a sucker for adorable pajama sets, and this one really got me. This is just so beautiful in this blue and white toile design. This is a very, very soft fabric, super lightweight, perfect for warm temperatures. I love the little pull-on shorts as well as the button front with a notch collar. These definitely are Love Shack fancy inspired, but also the style of pajamas really reminds me of the ones that come out every year at the Nordstrom sale, but these are a fraction of the price, under $17. So I love this print. There's another beautiful pink print that I love as well that my daughter picked up for me for my birthday, and that one looks so Love Shack fancy. So definitely put that link there for you. But these would not only be great for yourself, but they would also make a great gift. So a while back, I picked up this dress in the beautiful blue print and I loved it so much that I went back and got the red. So this is so pretty. It's a beautiful red shade with like these little white leaf prints all over it. I love this. If you're familiar with the brand Reformation, they make some beautiful, beautiful ladylike style dresses, midi length with buttons going down the front. And that is exactly what this one reminds me of. It has the beautiful buttons going all the way down the front. You can leave a little bit open on top to expose a little bit of your neckline. You can leave some open on the bottom to expose some leg. It has a loose fit without being too baggy and oversized. This is just such a beautiful and perfect dress. It even has pockets. Thank you, Walmart. I love that. They do such a good job with adding pockets to a lot of their dresses. It is true to size and the fabric feels fantastic. It's definitely like a nice quality feel to it. I love this. I'm going to share it with you belted and elevated a little bit with a block heel and then very casually with just flip-flops and a tote bag. That is what I love about this style of dress is the versatility. So whether you wear it dressed up or dressed down, I just think it is a fantastic designer inspired look for less. And the Reformation ones will run you somewhere around $200. This one under $25. So if I were you, I wouldn't just pick it up in one color. I would pick it up in a couple of colors. And speaking of dresses, this little 100% cotton mini dress from the brand No Boundaries is definitely giving like J. Crew, Anthropologie, Madewell vibes. I think this is so pretty with this beautiful eyelet. It's got little eyelet flowers running all the way down and little eyelet trim around the neckline and around the sleeves. A little tie front in the front. It is so pretty. This one is lined all the way down. 100% cotton, definitely a high quality dress, really beautiful, and it's got some ruching in the back to make it really easy to just slide it on. This one is under $15. Like, what a steal. I think this would be perfect worn casually with some flip-flops. You could even do this as like a beach dress or something like that, but I just love it. I think it's perfect for the warm weather. And at that price point for 100% cotton, you just cannot beat it. Okay, another great 100% cotton piece. Walmart, I love that they are doing all of these natural fabrics. I know that you ladies have requested those and love them just as much as I do. And I think Walmart does such a great job with keeping the prices so low on these really high quality natural fabrics. So this one's 100% cotton. It has this beautiful eyelet trim at the bottom. It is a midi skirt. It's got that tier at the bottom. It's got this stretch waist, making it really comfortable and easy to wear. I love it in this blue color. I believe it comes in a black as well. And I wanted to style it once again in that really fun and on-trend way for spring. So I added first just a little tank. This is also a Walmart find, super budget friendly. This is such a great basic to have, but you could do any tank top or even a t-shirt if you want a little bit more arm coverage, or even a white button down works with this as well. But I did add another one of those under $10 scarves to really add a little flair to this look. I'm telling you ladies, this is a great little tip if you want to add some flair to your spring looks, just adding a little scarf like this one. I love it tied like this with a skirt. You can also do this with your jeans or denim shorts, but it just really adds a little something and brings it together. This one is perfect because the blue in the scarf complements the blue in that skirt so nicely, but this is also really great because it has black in it, has pink, it has yellow. You could pair it with so many different things. You can put it in your hair, around your neck, on your bag, just so many options and under $10. Okay, this little pink cable knit sweater with these gold embellished buttons screams Ralph Lauren. I mean, this definitely is designer inspired. It is so pretty. It is so feminine. I love that it is a cable knit style sweater, but with short sleeves, perfect for spring weather. And these gold button details, they have little anchors on them. It definitely makes them look a little bit more high-end, high quality than just your average plastic white button. So this is just such a beautiful find. This is going to pair so well, whether you put it with jeans, a skirt, a pair of shorts. I just think it is the perfect little short sleeve spring cardigan. This one is under $25 and comes in cream and navy as well. It is true to size. I picked it up in my true size small and it fits perfectly and it's such a great find. Okay, so this next one is another great 100% cotton find and under $20. This is from the brand No Boundaries. This is your perfect like flowy feminine dress that's going to be great whether you're like on a cruise or you're somewhere tropical, you want something to throw over your bathing suit, or even if you're just lounging around or doing errands, you throw this on with some little sandals and a tote bag and you're good to go. I think it's beautiful. I love the little tie front here. You've got some lace detailing, eyelet in the bust, a little tier at the bottom. It is lined to about the knees, so nothing see-through, adjustable straps, and it's got some give here. You can just slip this one right on. It feels like you're wearing like a beautiful nightgown. It's so pretty, and I think it's really flattering and feminine and a great way to do like just easy, casual, feminine style. And I love the price point at under $20. This looks like something that honestly I would pick up at J. Crew. This time I don't have to because Walmart is just killing it with these finds. So this adorable little top looks like it's denim, but it's actually 100% cotton. So it is very soft and lightweight in this beautiful like dark blue denim color. It has some gorgeous embroidery. I'm not sure if you can see that on camera, but it has these beautiful embroidered little flowers. It's got some pretty little like lace detailing around the neck. You've got your ties, your buttons going down the front, and it does have like a little bit of gather at the bottom, so it kind of like blouses, it doesn't just hang. You've also got your gathered sleeves with little ties on them. Just lots of great detailing on this adorable little 100% cotton top. And I love a matching set, so I love that they did this beautiful skirt with it. So depending on your height, this is like midi to maxi length. You've got some like ruching at the top here, and you've got the embroidered details at the bottom of the skirt. Really beautiful. Now these are sold as individual pieces, so you can use them to create a set, or you could wear them individually. That top would look really adorable with those white utility shorts that I shared earlier, and this skirt would go great with the little tank top and maybe a scarf tied around the waist. So many possibilities, such great price points. I love these pieces from Free Assembly and all of the beautiful embroidered details. And another beautiful pajama option is this gorgeous set from Joy Spun in this seersucker fabric. This is so pretty. Oh, I just love this. It just screams springtime, and it's such a lightweight, soft fabric. This one has some little flutter sleeves on it, the little pull-on style shorts. The seersucker fabric is just beautiful. This comes in a white and a blue as well. I picked it up in this gorgeous yellow. As you can see, I'm a fan of this shade. This top I'm wearing is also a Walmart find. I've shared this one with you guys before in like a beautiful blue and a black and white polka dot option. I love them all. They're so pretty. So I'll have this linked as well, but I love this pajama set. I think it's just beautiful for the warmer weather because it is a very lightweight, comfortable fabric. I definitely am going to be living in this one. So in my last Walmart haul, I shared some beautiful dresses that I think are also very designer inspired, and I wanted to share them really quickly again with you because they are fully restocked in all the sizes and amazing prices, and I think they're really going to work for all of those spring events that you have coming up. So starting with this first one from the brand Free Assembly, this is a beautiful cotton mini dress. This one comes in both this gorgeous blue as well as a mint green, and I love the feminine details it has. I love the V neckline. It's got some gathering in the waist with a little tie to create some shape to the body. This one is super versatile. You could dress it up or down, putting it on with sandals or sneakers, and then you could elevate it with a platform or a wedge heel, and it would be gorgeous. This next dress is from Scoop. This is a cotton linen blend midi dress. Really gorgeous in this bright pink color, but it comes in some great options as well. I picked up this one as well as the blue and white floral, and I love the neckline on this one, the beautiful bow detailing. It has a gorgeous like kind of A-line style fit to it. This is more of an elevated dress that you could definitely wear to something like a baby shower, a bridal shower, a brunch, or even a daytime wedding. Such a great option and such a beautiful feminine dress. If you're looking for something super casual, perfect for a beach trip, this next dress from No Boundaries is the perfect fit. So this one has adjustable spaghetti straps. It comes in this beautiful pink as well as a blue shade. It's very flowy and long maxi style dress. I just love this dress. I think if you have a cruise coming up or just want something really pretty and casual, throw this on with some sandals or flip-flops and a big tote bag and you are good to go. And last but not least is this adorable cotton mini dress from the brand Time and True. I picked it up in this rose pink. It does come in 3 other colors as well. I love the split neckline. I love the flutter sleeves. It has some little lace details in it that just make it so feminine and pretty and definitely give it that designer inspired look. Okay, ladies, I hope you really enjoyed these designer-inspired finds from Walmart. And if you're looking for any details on sizing, I will give you all of that information in the description box below, including if I sized up or down in any items. There'll also be links to each of the items, and that will also be pinned to the first comment. And don't forget that QR code makes it really easy to shop right through your phone. So check that out if you're interested. And I hope you ladies have a great week. Take care.